Now students, let us start the exercise of 11.2 in Introduction to Trigonometry. The first question is, evaluate the following: sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. You look at the example here. What is sin 60 degree value? Students, first you can make a chart like this. You can write all the angles and 6 trigonometric ratio and write the trigonometric ratios of these angles. You know that sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1, sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, like this. So it is very easy to write sin theta value, and the same way you can write all the cos theta values in repeated way, in repeated ulta way. So and then you can write the tan theta by using sin by cos. So now look at this one. What is sin 60 degree? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So write root 3 by 2. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So write the values of all sin 60, cos 30, sin 30 and cos 60. So I write here. Observe this one, here is into, here is also into, and add these two. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. Look at this one, the denominator remains same, add the numerator, that is 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 4 is 1. So the answer is what? 1. Now we are going to the second question. Second question is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Students, what happened here? Here the square term is coming. So you don't worry about the square term. First you can take the values of these trigonometric ratios. What is tan 45 degree? Yes, look at this once again the chart. So in this one, tan 45 is 1. Okay, write tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So write 1, that is 1 square, 2 into 1 square plus cos square 30 degree. So now look at this one. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So write root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60. Now look at this one. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So write root 3 by 2. Okay. So now we can square them. Here square is there. So square, whole square. So 2 into 1 square is 1 plus root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. So what happened here is minus. So not plus. Okay. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is what? It will be 0. So 2 plus 0 is what? 2. The answer is 2. Students, now we are going to the third question. That third question is cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So here also you can take the values of trigonometric ratios. What is cos 45 degree? Look at this one. Cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. So write the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. What is sec 30 degree? Is sec 30 degree equal to 2 by root 3. So write here 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree. So what is cosec 30 degree? Cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. So write 2. So after writing the values, you can observe the figure, observe the question. What happened here? The denominator is what? Here the rational numbers are there. You can add the rational numbers. First we have to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and root 3? Yes, root 3. and cross multiply them. So 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. So again you take in numerator what happened, 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. So multiply the numerator, 1 into root 3 is root 3 and multiply the denominator. Okay. Root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 into root 3. Observe this one. Root 2 into root 3 is what? 6. Here the same order you can multiply the radicands. Then we get 2 into 3 is what? 6. Here is the coefficient is 2. Therefore 2 into root 6. I will multiply once again this one. 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 6 and the coefficient is what? 2. Okay. So now what happened? So this is not the final answer because in the denominator what happened? It is in irrational form. So it is not the complete answer. That's why you can rationalize the denominator. How to rationalize the denominator? Students, in the 9th standard you are learned the third chapter. Rationalize the denominator like this. So the question like this, root 3 plus root 2 like this. How to rationalize this one? So you can observe the denominator in the form of irrational form. You can make it as a rational form. How to make the rational form? You can rationalizing the denominator. So this is in binomial term. That's why the rationalizing factor of root 3 plus root 2 is what? Root 3 minus root 2. You can multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor of the denominator. In the same way, here also you can multiply by the rationalizing factor of the denominator. What is the rationalizing factor of 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6? Yes, you can change the sign, so it becomes what? Minus. You can multiply by this rationalizing factor of both numerator and denominator. So now look at this one. Multiply the numerator into numerator, that is root 3 into this term, and in the denominator what happened? It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That's why a square minus b square. So now observe this one. You can multiply the numerator. 2 is the coefficient, write 2 as it is. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6 minus 2 is the coefficient, write as it is, and root 6 into root 3 is root 18. 6 3 is 18. So now we can simplify this one. 2 root 2 whole square. So 2 square is 4. This root 2 square is what? 2. 4 into 2 is 8. Minus, write as it is. 2 square is 4. Root 6 square is 6. So 4 into 6 is 24. Okay. So next you can observe the numerator. You take 2 common. So that is root 6 minus root 18. 8 minus 24 is minus 16. So cancel by 2. We get minus 8. So we remove the minus term in the denominator. That's why you can multiply by the minus sign on both numerator and denominator. Then we get this plus root 18 and minus root 6 divided by plus 8. So this is what our answer. You can look at this answer. The denominator is not in the rational. The denominator is not in the form of irrational. It is in the rational form. Students, now we are going to the second question. In the second question is, choose the correct option and justify your choice. So here the question is given and the option also is given. 4 options is given. So after calculating this question, you can select which one is the correct one out of these 4. Okay, students, now we can look at the question here. In second question, the first part is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, the 4 options are given. First option A is sin 60, B is cos 60, and C is tan 60, and D is sin 30. So How to choose these, how to choose the correct answer? Yes, first of all we are going to solve the question. So you know that what is the tan 30 degree? Yes, the tan 30 degree value will be what? Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Yes, you're right. The tan 30 degree value, that is what? 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So 1 plus 1 divided by root 3 into whole square. So tan 30 is also 1 by root 3. So here is square. So you put the square term here. So here is the 2. So you can multiply by the 2. So now look at this one. 2 into 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3. And 1 plus squaring this 1 by root 3 is 1 by 3. Square of root 3 is 3. Square of 1 is 1. That's why it is 1 by 3. Now look at this denominator. So the denominator is 1 plus 1 by 3 means you can cross multiply them. So what happened? The LCM is 3. Cross multiply this one. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So you can write the numerator as it is, and the denominator is what? 4 by root 3. So now look at this one. You take the denominator into the numerator. What happened? It will be reverse. So 3 comes to the numerator and 4 comes to the denominator. So then what happened? You can divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then we get what? 3 divided by 2 into root 3. Students, this is not the final answer, because the denominator is in the form of irrational form, but the irrational number is not sufficient for the answer. That's why first we have to make this irrational number into rational number. That's why first take the rationalizing factor of this denominator 2 root 3. So the rationalizing factor of 2 root 3 is what? Root 3. So you multiply and divide by this rationalizing factor root 3, both numerator and denominator. So 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3, and root 3 into root 3 is what? Yes. So root 3 into root 3 is 3, because 3 into 3 is 3 square. This square and root will be what? Cancelled. That's why the answer is what? 3. So write this 3 into 2 is what? 6. So now we can divide by this 3 by 6, we get 2. So the final answer will be what? Root 3 by 2. So now check all among these 4, which one is the correct answer? The answer will be what? Root 3 by 2. So you can check it. The first one is what? The first one is what? Sin 60 degree. So sin 60 degree value will be what? Yes, you can look at this one. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Our answer is also will be what? Root 3 by 2. That's why the answer is what? Sin 60 degree. So the first option is the correct. This is what our answer. Students, now we are going to the second part of second question. The second part is 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Here the 4 options are given. Option A is tan 90, B is 1, C is sin 45 degree, and D is 0. So how to select the correct answer? First of all, before going to select, first we are going to solutions. Okay. So now write 1 minus what is tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree value will be 1. So you can look at this chart once again. Tan 45 is what? 1. So here is square. So write the square. So divided by 1 plus again tan square is there. So that is what? Tan square 45 degrees 1 square. So now simplify. 1 minus 1 square is 1, and 1 plus 1 square is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 by 2 is what? Yes, 0. The answer is what? 0. The option, you can select the fourth option. the option 4th is what? The correct answer. Students, now we are going to the third part of second question, that is sin 2a equal to 2 sin a. Here the 4 options are given. One is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So now what I can do? Students, in this case what I am doing, I take one angle for checking the values of whether it is sin 2a equal to 2 sin a. First I will take at 0 degree what happened this equation. Sin into 2 into a value will take it as 0. Here also the value of a angle is take it as 0. You look at this one, sin into 2 into 0 is 0, 2 sin 0. So what is the value of sin 0? Now look at this one. The value of sin 0 is what? 0. So write sin 0 is 0, 2 sin 0 is also a 0. So here the equation is what? Holds good, because here the LHS equal to what? RHS. Suppose I want to, curiosity wise, I will check by the second angle also. Suppose I put this equation, sin 2a value is 30 degree, that is 60 degree, 2 sin 30 degree. What is the value of sin 60? That is root 3 by 2. What is value of sin 30? 2 into 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. So this is not the correct one. Similarly, I check it by the third option, that is 45 degree. 2 into 45 degree is what? 90 degree, and 2 sin 45. Sin 45 value will be 1 by root 2. Here the coefficient is 2. So sin 90 value is 1. Look at the chart. Sin 90 value will be 1 and sin 45 degree value will be 1 by root 2. Okay. So now this is also not equal. So similarly the fourth one is also not equal. That's why the correct answer will be what? The option A is the correct answer. So what is the correct answer in among these 4 options? Yes, the option A is the correct answer. When I take the 0 value for A, then the LHS equal to RHS. That's why the answer A is the correct. Students, this is for your homework. The fourth part in second question, that is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. You can check it whether which one is the correct answer. Okay, so you can check it. Similarly, in the first question also you can do the 4th and 5th is the homework. You can do the problem in your home. Students, let us go into the 4th question. State whether the following true or false. Justify your answers. So how to say directly? It's not say directly it is true or false. So first, before going to this question, first we can analyze the question and solve the question. Okay. The first question is sin of a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. Students, here I will take angle A is 30 degree and B is 60 degree. A plus B is what? 30 plus 60. Here is sin 30 plus sin 60. Okay. So sin 30 plus 60 is 90. So sin 90. Sin 30 is what? The value of sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. And sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. The value of sin 90 is 1. So now look at this one. You take the LCM here. The same LCM you can add the numerator, that is 1 plus root 3. So what happened? 1 is not equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. So here I check by using taking the value A and B. Here the answer is not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. That's why the given statement is false. Students, now we are going to the second part in 4th question. The statement is the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Students, you can you are making a chart, no? So you can use the chart. You can observe the sign values. So in 0 is 0, Sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is what? 1. So what happened here? Here the theta value increases, the sin value is also increases. That's why here the theta value increases, the sin value is also increases. So on increasing the value of theta increases, therefore the given statement is true. Students, you take this, this is for your homework. So you can, using this chart, you can check it whether the statement is true or false. Students, now we are going to the fourth part in fourth question. The statement is sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Okay. So here I take the theta value will be what? 30 degree. So take theta is 30. Here also take 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So the statement says for all values of theta, sin theta equal to cos theta. But by using the theta value 30 degree, the 1 by 2 is not equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, the given statement is false. So the last question is, cot A is not defined for A equal to angle 0 degree angle. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. So the cot A can be defined as cos A by sin A. Okay. So you take whether A equal to 0 degree. So here the angle A equal to what? 0 degree. You write 0 and sin 0. What is the cos 0? Cos 0 value will be 1. Sin 0 is 0. So 1 divided by 0 is not defined. Therefore, the given statement is what? True. So, students, I hope you can understand all the question and answers. You can work out the 11.2 exercise question and answers, and also you can work out the example question also. Okay, students. Okay, students, thank you.